Hey, good day to you. This is Rin, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at pound dollar on the daily chart. What we see over here, let's see, we have a break and close above the high slightly, and with a indecision candle, the market have a bit of retracement, but overall is still a uptrend for our chart. Likewise, uptrend. Market is retest on the previous low, but having a series of lower high, it can be a concern for traders as these look like an inverted descending triangle. And head down to the 1 hour chart. What do we have over here? Okay, a lot of support at this level. When there's a lot of testing on the support too many times, there is a high chance and high tendency that the market will break and close below, especially if you see there's a series of lower high. Head back to the daily chart. Let me share with you my analysis over here. Just before we start, if you don't quite understand what I've shared earlier on, scan this QR code over here. It'll be led onto our website. Ask us as many questions as you want over here. That's how we interact. But before you do that, just attend this free course that we have recorded for you, and it should have answered most of the questions. And coming week we will going to record even more trainings. All right, so over here what we have is our trade ideas where we share it with our members and send email to them, so make sure they won't miss it. All right, so back to the daily chart. Let me share with you my analysis over here. Pretty neat. Just waiting for a retest of this trend line to happen, then we'll decide if we are going to buy, but that's on a mid to long term basis. For our chart, what we have a bit interesting is we are observing how the market reacts at the equal distance move, but of course on the bigger picture we have come into the buy zone, the overall buy zone of the 4 hour chart, and there is a bullish shark pattern completing at 1.3254. 1 hour chart is where the action is. Well, I'm waiting for a break and close below to confirm for a shorting opportunity. On the other hand, what I can do is I can draw a trend line, just nice, connecting all 3 levels, where I will get to set an alert over here. Once the market hit this price, I will wait for candle close to hit in for a shorting. So the function I'm looking at is once per bar close, once it reach here, then my alert will be 1 hour chart trend line short. Okay, and this is because I see it as a descending triangle. All right, so that's pretty much I have for you today. If you're looking to join us, as you know, looking to go into a financial industry and you don't know how, right now we have opened our Pro Trader Certification course, online version. Of course, we have been training a couple of sessions with our one-to-one training already started. So if you're interested, just drop me a note. I'll be more than happy to see if you're a good fit before we talk further. That's all I have for you today. Looking forward to seeing you soon in our community. Till then, remember always plan your trade and